Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to make an anonymous Facebook account. So the first thing you need to do, and that is very important, is to make sure your Facebook app on your cell phone was updated, okay? And it's important to say that works for any device you have, your iPhone, your Android, or on your computer. So don't need to worry about that. So basically, to create an anonymous Facebook account, it's simple. The first step is to create an anonymous email, okay? So you can create a Gmail or a Outlook mail, for example. And in that mail, you create an email without any information about you, okay? You put any information about you, okay? And after that, you have basically an anonymous email. And after that, you just go and create a Facebook account using that email. But in that Facebook account, you don't put any information about you, okay? You put a different name, a different last name, a different date of birth, okay? You put all the information different than you. And after that, just create your Facebook account. And basically, you have an anonymous Facebook account, okay? So, I hope I can help you to make an anonymous Facebook account. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See ya!